Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today I've got a list of tips and ideas for using turnips. So if you are new to using turnips or you're just looking for some new ideas, hopefully this will help you out. Raw turnips can be a good addition to a green salad or even a slaw, so treat them like you would a radish. You could use turnips in place of potatoes for a low starch alternative like turnip fries or other potato dishes. Try roasting turnips with other root vegetables like sweet potatoes for instance, and it'll make a flavorful side dish. Try raw turnip sticks for dipping in an appetizer tray. It would be delicious. Add turnips to your favorite soups and stews. Now it's not mandatory to peel turnips, but the larger ones will have a thick, very tough skin and sometimes a bitter aftertaste. So it's often recommended to peel the larger ones. If you have very small turnips, you might be able to get by without peeling them. 1 pound of turnips is about 3 to 4 medium turnips and about 2.5 cups chopped and cooked. The flavors may be a little bit different, but if a recipe you're wanting to make calls for turnips and you just don't have any or you don't have enough, you could substitute in rutabaga, kohlrabi, parsnips, or even broccoli stems in place of the turnips. Turnips can be eaten raw, steamed, roasted, or boiled, and they're best though when they are not overcooked. When you're buying turnips, choose the smaller ones if you want a sweeter, more mild flavor. The larger turnips are going to have a spicier flavor and their texture is going to be woodier and the peel is going to be tough, so you will definitely have to peel the larger ones. Roasting turnips brings out their sweeter flavors, so try adding the herb thyme for a good flavor combo with some roasted turnips. You could also try some boiled and mashed turnips in place of mashed potatoes. I do hope this helps you out. If you have other ideas to share, feel free to add them below in the comments section. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Bye for now.